Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the essentials. Open the spreadsheet or database and point it to a dedicated folder so files stay organized. Once done, create a new file or load a template to avoid formatting work later. Make sure autosave is enabled if available, or set a visible 5–10-minute reminder to manually save. This reduces lost work and keeps versions tidy. You'll be ready to enter records consistently and recover quickly if something unexpected happens. You now focus on the detailed execution. Enter rows using the template so each column stays consistent, and lock header rows to prevent accidental edits. While typing, apply validation rules, numeric ranges, date formats, or drop-down lists to catch errors early. Once you have repeated patterns, use keyboard shortcuts and autofill to accelerate entry. This saves time and reduces mistakes. Make sure to save after every major batch of entries, so recovery points exist, and you finish by saving and securing the file properly. Use clear, version file names so you can track changes over time, then export or backup to cloud storage or an external drive right away. Once saved, open the copy to verify key entries and run a quick integrity check like sorting or summary totals to confirm nothing shifted. If something goes wrong, first check the autosave or backup version. If unavailable, restore from the last known good file to minimize data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.